The Army has been the best decision I've ever made in my life. It's been an outstanding fit for me and for my career goals. And also just to serve my country like my predecessors have and to learn a trade.
Through the Army, I'm able to advance my career using services and certification assistance, tuition assistance, as well as putting actual feet on the ground with the men and women who serve the nation.
I chose the Army because of all the enormous benefits that comes along with joining the military, opposed to the civilian sector. Soldiers have the opportunity to gain additional credentials.
Not only do these credentials and professional certificates set you up for success, but the Army covers the expense of the training. Medical careers are one of more than 150 career opportunities in the Army and Army Reserve, where your education and certifications are paid for. Joining the Army is more than a chance to serve your country. It's also a great career move. Learn valuable job and life skills and get the experience you need through service in the United States Army.